Hello, and thank you for tuning in to the Anywhere Farm channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to sprout some of our favorite seeds. I call this the Latham mix because my 8-year-old son is doing this with me, and it's two of his favorite seeds to sprout. They're delicious, nutritious, and it's a great way for me to get my 8-year-old to eat vegetables. Hi, and there you have it, folks. A delicious snack in just a few days. Or use it as a supplement in a salad, or just put it on the table for a quick grab and go. For more great information, stay tuned to the Anywhere Farm channel. And if you like what you see, please remember to subscribe and like often. Until next time.